Horse sound coming out into a perfect beginning. It's Alamid. And in second is Music King. Rain Shower in third. Then followed by Take Me Tonight, the San Diego. And on the outside, Mark This Bird. And Titanic is the early trailer. We have Alamid by about 3 for Balenka. Music King in second. And in third, Rain Shower. Racing on the outside for Take Me Tonight, the San Diego. Titanic. And Mark This Bird still racing in last. And it's still Alamid, the leader by about 2 lengths. Rain Shower now in second. And on the outside third comes Music King. Take Me Tonight is racing in fourth. Then comes the San Diego Mark This Bird. And Titanic still racing in last. And it's still Alamid by about 3 lengths. Rain Shower remains in second. Music King, the San Diego now in third. Then followed over by Take Me Tonight, Titanic, and Mark This Bird. And it's still Alamid by about 3 lengths. Rain Shower still in second. The San Diego in third. Titanic in fourth. Then moving up, Mark This Bird. As they come down at the last 150. And it's still Alamid by about 2.5 lengths. Rain Shower still in second. Titanic, the San Diego. But it's still Alamid by about 3 lengths of a Rain Shower, Titanic. And finally, it's all Alamid. Second, Titanic, Rain Shower, close, Mark This Bird, the San Diego. Then comes number 4, Take Me Tonight, Music King.
163, tapos
Close tayo.
for fourth.